There's a military guard going into the site of the first Communist Party National Congress in 1921. It's sort of a revered place with the Chinese people here in Shanghai. It's actually in the French concession, and the meeting was broken up by French guards. Mao Zedong was there, and a whole lot of other, there were 13 other or 12 other members of the Congress that formed the Chinese Party there. So there you go, a bit of short history, and let's look at the street again. Oh, I forgot to say ni hao from Shanghai, and wale ni, all you capitalist running dogs. I'll be back soon. Bye.